types of graphs. Students, there are two types of graphs, XT graph and VT graph. Okay, there are two types of graphs, XT graph and VT graph. X means, I told you already, it is position also, it may be distance also, it may be displacement also. So and T is time always, right? So XT graph means position time graph, note it down. Or we may also call it distance time graph or displacement time graph, because in case of graphs we have to plot the values. आपको पता है कि graphs में हमें सिर्फ values plot करनी होती है, ठीक है? तो इसलिए there is no distinction between scalar और vector, ठीक है? तो distance, displacement जो मर्जी बोल सकते हैं in case of graphs, ठीक है? So write the full form of XT graph. It may be position time, distance time or displacement time graph. It may be position time graph, distance time graph or displacement time graph, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? So let us now know the meaning of XT graphs. तो question लिखिए, what is the meaning of XT graph? So if graphs are having different shapes, they are having different meanings. Okay, let us draw XT graph like this. So if XT graph is a straight line like this, इसका मतलब क्या है? कि time is increasing but position is remaining the same. Position change नहीं हो रही है, नहीं तो position इस तरह से कहीं पे और change होगी, ठीक है? So if XT graph is a straight line, that means time increase होता जा रहा है but position वहीं पे है, position same है, ठीक है? So this shows that object is at rest, object is stationary. So if this kind of XT graph is there, it would mean stationary object. It would mean an object at rest. Okay? So different shapes of the graphs, they convey different meanings. If XT graph is a straight line like this, बिल्कुल directly proportional. अगर time 1 minute है, distance 1 kilometer है, time 2 minutes है, distance 2 kilometer, then we will get a straight line like this. So it will be indicating uniform motion or uniform speed. ये already हम discuss कर चुके हैं. So if the graph is a straight line, then it will indicate uniform speed. अगर इस तरह से है, it is stationary object. If the graph is a straight line like this, means distance is directly proportional to time. Time के accordingly vary कर रही है, बिल्कुल equal intervals में equal distance cover हो रहा है. So this is uniform speed. And if the graph is a curve, then it will indicate non-uniform motion or non-uniform speed. So these are the meanings of different graphs. Different shapes of graphs, they convey different meanings. All right. This topic we are doing after acceleration. All definitions, formulas, units, they are over now. So our topic of today is graphs. Okay. So first type of graph I am telling you right now, XT graph, position time graph. So if the shape is like this, I repeat, it will be stationary object. If the graph is like this, it will be indicating uniform speed. If the graph is a curve or any other shape, then it will indicate non-uniform speed. Now write next question. What is the importance of XT graph? Question लिख दीजिए. Write the importance of XT graph. Importance of XT graph. I'll be putting this recording also. All right. So draw XT graph and draw a straight line like this. Let us see what information this graph is giving. Okay. So let us calculate slope of this line. Slope का मतलब क्या है कि इस line की slant कितनी है, हम वो निकालने जा रहे हैं. मतलब slant means if you sit on the top of this line, you will slide down. ठीक है? तो वो slope हम निकालने जा रहे हैं कि कितनी fast आप slide करोगे. Right? So let us calculate slope of XT graph. I tell you slope कैसे निकालते हैं, उसका फॉर्मूला होता है tan theta. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. थीटा एंगल आप पढ़ते आ रहे हो मैथ्स में बचपन से, ठीक है. तो वो जो थीटा होता है वो क्या होता है, एंगल होता है, उसका सिंबल है ये. थीटा इज द सिंबल फॉर एंगल. For this we need a right angle triangle. So I'll take 2 points on the line. Let us say this point is A, this point is B. I'll take 2 points on this line and draw a perpendicular here so that I get a right angle triangle ABC. So I get, this is construction you can say, okay. So I have prepared a right angle triangle. This angle is of 90 degree, you know, this angle is theta. This angle is theta. एंड यू ऑलरेडी आर फेमिलियर, ये हाइपोटेन्यूज है, ये परपेंडिकुलर है, ये बेस है, ठीक है, वो आपको ऑलरेडी पता है. तो tan थीटा ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो है. अब इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, फॉर्मूला इज परपेंडिकुलर ओवर बेस. आई टेल यू अ ट्रिक टू लर्न दिस फॉर्मूला. एक्चुअली देयर आर 3 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज आप करोगे मैथ्स में, sin cos एंड tan, ठीक है. हम tan की बात कर रहे हैं. हाउ टू लर्न द फॉर्मूला, आई एम टेलिंग यू अ स्मॉल ट्रिक. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर भोले सोना चांदी तोले. सुना है कभी किसी ने? या फिर आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हो सम पीपल हैव कर्ली ब्राउन हेयर, ऐसे कुछ, ठीक है. तो यू विल फाइंड दिस ऑन इंटरनेट टू. आई रिपीट, ये एस मतलब साइन, सी मतलब कॉस, टी मींस tan. तो साइन का फॉर्मूला है परपेंडिकुलर ओवर हाइपोटेन्यूज. cos का फॉर्मूला है बेस ओवर हाइपोटेन्यूज और tan का फॉर्मूला बिकम्स परपेंडिकुलर ओवर बेस. तो बस उसको लर्न करने के लिए आप ये याद कर सकते हो, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर भोले सोना चांदी तोले. तो अब आप तोले पे आओ, बस tan पे. सो इट्स फॉर्मूला इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल ओवर बेस, ठीक है. वो नहीं हमने लिखना, हमने सिर्फ ये लिखना है. सो यू कैन सी परपेंडिकुलर इज BC here and base is AC here. Perpendicular is BC and base is AC. ठीक है. So we have written the formula of tan. अब BC क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, जो y एक्सिस पे ये x रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. BC x रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. And what is AC representing? Time, जो यहाँ x एक्सिस पे. So I'll write x over t. This is distance over time, displacement over time, whatever you say. What is distance over time? That is speed. And what is displacement over time? That is velocity. So we get, this is the importance of xt graph. चाहे हमें distance की value दी हुई है, but we can find speed of the object from it. ठीक है. तो इसका मतलब if you are sitting here, you are moving with certain speed. If I increase the slope of this line, you will slide faster. आपकी speed ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. So slope of this line will indicate speed of the object. So how fast the object is moving, we can find this from xt graph. Distance line graph से निकाल सकते हैं. When speed is even not given, we can find its slope. तो ये numerical भी आ सकता है आपको, as such भी आप इसको कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So this is all about xt graph. Today we will also cover VT graph. बस आज मैंने आपको ये 2 टॉपिक्स करवाने हैं. Then on Friday when we'll having lecture, then I'll be covering equations of motion. ठीक है. चलिए. So अब heading दे दो VT graph. Heading is now VT graph. VT graph मतलब velocity time graph और speed time graph. You know ना, V किसका सिंबल है, speed का भी और velocity का भी. So VT graph means velocity time graph or speed time graph, whatever you call it. So now we are having different shapes of VT graphs. Let us see what meaning do they convey. फिर से draw कर लीजिए. तो आप लिखिए question, what is the meaning of different VT graphs? What is the meaning of different VT graphs? तो अब ये पहले हम VT ग्राफ ऐसा ही बनाते हैं. इसका मतलब क्या है कि velocity is constant with time. This graph is showing कि time increase हो रहा है पर body की velocity, speed object की change नहीं हो रही है, वो constant है. अगर speed change नहीं हो रही, velocity change नहीं हो रही, acceleration is change in velocity over time, So that means this graph is showing zero acceleration. Got this? When time is increasing, velocity is not changing. Constant velocity है, ये uniform velocity का graph है, और when velocity does not change, it shows zero acceleration. So this graph, its meaning is acceleration is zero or velocity is uniform. Uniform means constant. Uniform velocity और zero acceleration दोनों के लिए यही ग्राफ आप प्लॉट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? And when VT graph is a straight line like this indicates one step ahead now. This indicates uniform acceleration. अगर आपका XT ग्राफ स्ट्रेट लाइन था तो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड थी. अगर आपका XT ग्राफ ऐसा, VT ग्राफ ऐसा है तो it will indicate uniform acceleration and this will indicate non-uniform acceleration. This is the meaning of the graph. ठीक है? Got this? Uniform acceleration or non-uniform acceleration. But in case of VT graph, अभी और information मिल सकती है from the graphs. क्योंकि velocity may increase with the time and decrease with time also ना. We have two types of acceleration. तो हमारे पास दो तीन graphs और हैं that are meaningful. In addition to three graphs, मैं दो graphs और plot कर रही हूँ. ये देखिए. If VT graph is like this. Again, it is constant, straight line है, constant है, but now velocity is decreasing. So it will again be uniform, but uniform retardation now. आपको पता है ना, negative acceleration is called retardation. So this graph will be showing uniform retardation. This graph will show uniform retardation. ये increasing graph uniform acceleration show कर रहा है positive. ये जो decreasing graph है, it will indicate uniform retardation. Same way, you can have another graph where velocity is again decreasing but curve है, so it will indicate non-uniform retardation. It will indicate non-uniform retardation. So always remember, इस केस में velocity may increase with the time, may decrease with time. So if it is increasing, it is uniform or non-uniform acceleration. If velocity is decreasing, it may be uniform or non-uniform retardation. Got this? Meanings of graphs are clear to you? Now write the question in the same way. What is the importance of VT graph? अब लिखिए question. What is the importance of VT graph? So now just मैं क्या change कर रही हूँ, x के place में यहाँ b लिख रही हूँ, बाकी सब कुछ same रहेगा. Draw this graph now. What is the importance? Heading दे दीजिए या question लिख लीजिए. Write the importance of VT graph. तो ये अब xt के place में I am just drawing VT graph. So let us calculate in the same way slope of VT graph now. अब ये xt के place में VT graph हो गया बिल्कुल वैसे ही. Again वो slope कैसे निकलेगी tan theta से? Again its formula is BC over AC. See the triangle. But in this case BC is representing what? Not x. It is showing B here. And what is velocity over time? कौन बताएगा? What is velocity over time? We call it acceleration. So one step ahead. That means slope of VT graph gives us acceleration. Slope of xt graph gave us velocity or speed. Slope of VT graph gives us acceleration. This is importance of VT graph. But VT graph is more important. इससे एक और information मिलती है हमें. पहले आप ये note करिए. बस वो last है. Then I will be leaving you. We also get one more information from VT graph. ठीक है? Second point. Write the importance of VT graph. का first point was this. Second point लिखिए. Second point. Second point है, if we are having again VT graph and it is a straight line like this, मतलब uniform acceleration, zero acceleration है. Let us say this is origin. We take 2 points on the graph now. Again we take 2 points and drop a perpendicular here. What do we get now? Rectangle OABC. अब हम दूसरा ग्राफ ले लेते हैं, जीरो एक्सेलरेशन वाला VT ग्राफ. ठीक है, we take 2 points and complete a rectangle. करिए इसको. Complete this rectangle. Yes students, complete this rectangle. Now let us calculate area of VT graph. पहले हमने स्लोप निकाली थी ना. Now let us check area निकाल के क्या आता है हमारे पास. Let us find area of VT graph. In this case, that is area of rectangle OABC. Right now, this area of graph is same as area of rectangle OABC. क्या होता है rectangle का area? Length into breadth. So this will be OA into OC. It will be OA into OC. What is OA representing? Velocity. And what is OC representing? Time. तो ये हो गया V into T. VT, V का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? स्पीड भी कह सकते हो. You can also call it velocity. तो what is speed into time और velocity into time? क्या होता है वो? आपको फॉर्मूला आता है ना, V is equal to S by T. So when you cross multiply, VT किसके इक्वल होता है? S के इक्वल. S या X whatever. ठीक है, तो this is indicating distance or displacement. So that means area of VT graph shows us distance or displacement covered by the object. So this is second importance. Area of VT graph can give us distance or displacement covered by the object. तो देखो हमें velocity और time दिया हुआ है, speed and time. If we calculate slope, हम उसकी acceleration निकाल सकते हैं. If we calculate area, we can calculate distance covered. So both the things we have done with the help of only VT. ठीक है, देख लीजिए. Yes, now I can take up questions. I was not